All right, what's going on, everybody? I appreciate you all. My name is Reece, and tonight we're going to be going over our amazing company that we have just launched just over 90 days ago, IQONIC. It is a education and lifestyle membership where we teach you guys how to be successful on your own. Okay, so IQONIC, rise above ordinary. Our disclaimer, IQONIC is a membership-based platform that offers educational content, wellness products, and travel services. Participation in IQONIC is not a guarantee of financial success. Any income or business results shared in this presentation are illustrative examples only and should not be considered typical or expected. Your results will depend on many factors, including your personal effort, skills, experience, market conditions, and commitment. We do not make claims of guaranteed earnings, lifestyle changes, or specific outcomes. All products and service descriptions are for informational purposes only and are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Wellness results may vary from person to person. Before making any financial decisions or participating in any trading activity, please seek independent advice from a qualified professional. By continuing to view this presentation, you acknowledge that you have read and understood this disclaimer. So here we're going to introduce you to our corporate team. So this is decades of combined experience providing the structure, tools, and support to help people build better lives. So we have Ivan Tapia, he is our global advisor. We have Rob Baker, travel president. We have Hoa Bui, he's our chief marketing officer. We have Manny Q, everybody knows Manny, chief product experience officer. We have Brian McMullen, and he is our founder. We have Ahmed Mukhtar, Chief Operating Officer. We have our man Jay Bonham, who's our Director of Education, and Calvin Becerra, who is our Global Advisor. So, IQONIC lifestyle, a movement redefining what it means to thrive in the modern world. Okay, so 85% of people report being unhappy with their current jobs. And 64% of people are actively seeking side hustles. So, our mission here is to awaken the potential within every human being. At IQONIC, we believe that the greatest pursuit isn't success, it's elevation. To rise in how we think, to rise in how we feel, to rise in how we lead. That's why we build more than products here. Okay. So, we build pathways to help people to help remind people what they're capable of, to live with purpose, and to rise above and beyond limitation. So this is one platform, and there's three ways to rise. Okay, so we have our education, we have our wellness, and we have our travel side. And for those who are ready to live it, we've built the tools to make it real. IQ Academy, so real world skills that shape better, sharper entrepreneurs. Master the skills that matter most from financial markets to digital marketing. Access expert led courses, interactive live streams with mentors. Okay, our IQ Center, this is your all-in-one education platform. So you're going to get your academy, which is going to have on-demand courses designed for every experience level, live streams, learn directly from expert educators, and gain real-time insights in interactive environments. Courses, so you're going to be able to join exclusive educator curated master classes offering deeper, specialized learning experiences. Okay, so IQ Social, it's like our own little Facebook, social media. So you can stay up to date with all the educators. You can follow them when they post ideas, market updates, when they're going live. You'll get directly notified real time to your phone, so you'll never miss a class. Okay, so connecting you to everything in one place. We're going to engage with master educators and connect with like-minded entrepreneurs. access IQ ideas, receive potential market ideas that give you a clear starting point, and you're going to be able to tap into IQ insights, which are expert chart reviews, and analysis to accelerate your learning. Okay, so you're going to be able to get copy and trade ideas sent directly to your phone as well. So IQ Charts, this is our proprietary charting service. So it's based off of TradingView, and it's basically you get access to the full TradingView. You don't have to pay for it, and you can add unlimited indicators and charts to it, and alerts as well. So you can see the markets with clarity. So see the markets through expert eyes with educator markups and real-time analysis. Elevate your skills with unique strategies and analysis methods, and you're going to turn every trade into growth with built-in journaling powered by TradeZilla. IQ Sync. So we have finally launched fully. It is up and running. IQ Sync is our automated trading service where you can swipe to trade. It's going to stay connected in real time, always connected. Market ideas delivered in real time from idea to execution. Execute a trade directly inside the platform. No more missed opportunities. Stay aligned with the markets, and you can build confidence with guidance. So every idea is a starting point for your own decisions. Okay. So with IQ Sync, whenever an educator sends a trade idea in the app, you have your broker connected, the signal will come in, you'll be able to approve it with whatever percentage of risk or lot size of risk that you want to use for the respected pair. Once the trade is activated and it says successfully activated and trade has been placed, you can now check your broker or your MT5 and you'll see the trade has been placed. Now, there's nothing more that you need to do. Whatever the educator does to manage that trade, moving a stop loss, closing the trade, just anything will automatically be done to your account as well. So once you enter the trade, it's connected through API. The educator will manage that trade until it's time to hit take profit or even close the trade out. IQ Thrive. Here, you're going to live stronger, feel better, and perform higher. Okay, so this is science-based, science-backed wellness solutions to help you feel energized and perform at your highest. Okay, just give me a second. I'm just gonna grab a cup of water here, guys. All right. So this is our regen. So activate, defend, and rebuild. So it's going to activate dormant adult stem cells to support your body's natural renewal and recovery process, protect your telomeres to help slow the effects of aging, and it's clinically proven to reduce antioxidative stress in your body. All right. So this is our charge. And this is energy at the cellular level. So this is going to boost cellular energy production. It supports DNA repair and protects against cellular damage. Enhances cognitive function and mental clarity, and optimizes metabolism for a better weight management and vitality. Okay. It's going to strengthen your immune health and combat oxidative stress as well. All right. One of my other all-time favorites for our company is our IQ Atlas, which is our exclusive lifestyle club private subscription. So most people never see the places that they dream about, and at IQ Atlas, we make that possible. So you're not going to just see the world, you're going to experience it like never before. So this is our private members travel portal. So with our private members travel portal, you're going to be able to get exclusive deals on hotels worldwide. Um, uh, Also, you're going to be able to save up to 80% on hotels, condos, cruises, and vacation homes. You're going to enjoy exclusive perks on rentals, transfers, tours, and entertainment. You're going to access global destinations and private group trips at member-only rates. Okay, this is amazing for groups. You're going to also earn travel credits, and you'll be able to track your total savings inside of your dashboard. So this is your online travel portal. This is your passport to traveling smarter. So you're also going to get access to concierge services. So your trip, your way. You're going to be able to book a cruise of up to 10 cabins or more, including river, ocean, or yacht options. You'll be able to plan exclusive land packages with a minimum of 25 hotel rooms, tours, and other experiences. And if you are the organizer and you get these big group sizes, you can get complimentary travel for yourself, um, based on the group size. Okay. So iconic escapes. So VIP access to unforgettable journeys. There's group trips at wholesale pricing. Global bucket list destinations, private curated experiences, and we're here to create lifetime of memories. Okay, so this is our experience pass. So you're going to be able to give friends a free look. So when they save, you earn. So guests save 50% off of full subscriber pricing when they book hotels. So you can give them a free pass when they get in there. They're going to save 50% versus the 80 that they would get having the full membership. So whatever they save, you're going to earn directly. So it's if the trip costs $3,000 and they're saving a full 50%, it's going to take it down to 1,500. You're going to earn $1,500 of matching travel credits. Okay. And that's equal to the guest savings dollar for dollar. So, like I just said, 50% at $3,000, 1,500. Okay. So it's directly in your pocket, in your back office. You can withdraw that. Okay. So you have your travel credits that can be applied to your own hotel bookings as well for even more savings. You're gonna be able to save more, share more, and travel more. Okay. So with IQ Atlas, we don't just have the education side where you can build a business in the trading and networking, but we also have starting a home business and a travel business within IQ Atlas here. Okay, so you can earn commissions 24/7. You can send customers to your VIP travel portal. Customers can save up to 10% on hotels. Okay, and iconic special price industry training modules for higher commissions are included, and you get industry benefits and FAMs. Okay, so when you build your business, it's you can build it with the education or you can build it separate. Okay, so that's the best thing about IQ Atlas is you can incorporate it or you can build the two opportunities completely separate, which I like to build them kind of separate just because not everybody that travels likes to trade and not everybody that trades likes to well, everybody that trades likes to travel, but it's not everybody. Okay, there is a select few that don't. So I like to keep them separate and build my businesses that way. Okay, so we're gonna get into the pricing. So when you come in here, the package that you want to start on is IQ Prime because it gives you access to IQ Sync and everything that you need to get started for the lowest cost. Okay, so our IQ Sync is our automated trading platform. You just will not get access to the travel stuff with this package here. So this is $249.99 one time, which covers your first month as well. And this is USD. And then every month after is $174.99. And I'm going to show you guys how you can get it completely free. Okay. So you can also get your IQ Atlas here. So if you just wanted IQ Atlas, you don't want the trading, you can come in here for $199 one time, includes your first month, and then it's $99 per month. You're gonna get access to those 80 up to 80% of savings and travel discounts and all that fun stuff. Now, if you are based in the US and you want to become a travel agent, okay, and you want to get a certification for your US IATIN travel agent, you can get that after you generate $5,000 in commissions, okay, within your business. And if you want to become an IQ agent, it's $269.99, and then it's $174.99 per month. Okay. Now, if you want everything in IQ Prime, so you say if you want all the trading stuff, you want the auto trading, you want access to the education, you want everything, and you want the travel. okay, and you want your travel portal, well, then you get the IQ Max, okay? So instead of paying 174 per month, you're going to pay 199 per month. So it's $25 more. And you're going to get access to everything, which is a steal of a deal. Okay? So here I'm going to show you guys how you can share the opportunity and you can also get everything for free. So becoming an ambassador, so with IQONIC, when you share the platform with others, you don't just inspire, you also unlock exclusive rewards and perks. So with our For No More, when you or when you or any customer refer 4 people who subscribe to the same package or higher, their monthly subscription will be waived. And for Rising Star ambassadors, you'll also unlock the ability to earn commissions while enjoying your membership for free. Now, last week, I should say, the corporate team has just launched a even better deal than For No More. So anybody joins at any level. It doesn't have to be exactly your same package, okay? But if you had a couple people join at lower levels, then it's going to be a percentage of those packages. You will get paid directly into your back office to help go towards the membership, okay, that you can get for free. All right. So here we have our Dubai, our IQONIC escapes. So this is our first leadership retreat. And this is for anybody that's really looking to level up and take their life and business to a new level. Okay. So January 2026, Dubai Leadership Retreat. So here you can you can check out all of our different packages, or sorry, all of our different ranks for your networking side. So here is your Rising Star. This is going to be your monthly subscription for free, and you're going to have the opportunity to earn cash referrals of up to $100 per month. Okay. Next up, we have our silver. So with Rising Star, you need 4 people. Okay, and then you'll get 2 people on the left, 2 people on your right, and then that's going to give you that free account. Now, silver, you're going to get that free account waived. Okay, weekly residual, you're going to get paid 175 because you're going to get paid 700, and then a portion of that's going to go to pay your membership, and then you're going to get paid 175 per week every Friday, US. Okay, you still have the opportunity to earn a little bit more. Okay, I think you need only 7 on each leg for that. Now, if you want to go up to Gold Star, okay, very easy to attain Gold Star. You make $1,500 per month, which is going to be $375 per week. Okay, and then you're going to pay for your main membership out of your earnings. Okay, so you'll never have to pay. Everything is always free for you. Okay, so then you can also still be able to earn cash referrals of up to $100. All right, so you can see here the personal enrollments that you need in order to get all the way up to $10,000 per month, which is icon status, is you need 3 personal referrals on each leg. So we have 2 legs. We have a left leg and a right leg. So you're going to have to bring 3 personal people on. Say if you brought 3 builders on the left, 3 builders on the right, and they built the team out and they brought in 300 people on each side, and you didn't bring in anybody else but those 3 people, those 6 people, sorry, and they just went with it and built it and brought all the leaders in, well, then you can get this rank just with those 6 leaders. Okay, obviously you're going to be bringing in more than 3 and 3, so you're going to be helping add to your level. So this isn't 30,000 people. This goes based off of volume. So every person, so if we just quickly go back, if you get a max lifestyle, okay, customer volume points, somebody signs up, 115 points. If somebody gets IQ Prime, 100 points. If somebody gets IQ Atlas, 80 points. If somebody gets Agent, 125 points. So if we go back and we take a look, okay, each person counts for because we use IQ Prime as a minimum. 100 points per person. So you can see those two people, two and two. That's 100 and 100. So that's 200, 200. So you need seven and seven. So it's seven people, to reach $700 per month. 14 people on your team. Okay. You need 60 people on your team to hit 1,500. Okay. And then you need 70 people on each leg to hit 3,000. And then you need 150 people for each leg to hit 5,000. And then to hit 10,000, you need 300 people per leg. And it builds quick because it just builds, yeah, it builds super fast. The company is amazing. The products and everything speak for themselves. And it's just an amazing company. Okay, amazing opportunity. You guys can see here the prices do go up, so you can get up to 15,000 all the way up to $1 million per month if you're a legend. Okay, now you're going to need 28,000 people on each side, or 20, what is that, 20, yeah, I think that's 28,000 people. That's a lot of people. But if you know and you have a good network, you could, that's attainable. There is people that attain this level. Okay. And then this just shows you each tier, each ranking. The bottom just shows the amount of money you can be made per month. And that is our presentation. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to stop my screen. I am going to share my desktop now. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to minimize everything and I am going to pull up back office. Okay. So what I want to show you guys is I want to just show you guys the um, academy side. So we're going to show you all of the education where you can learn about how to properly invest, properly trade in the foreign exchange market. So here you can come to your academy. We can click academy. We can scroll down. You can see here our IQ Vault has all of our boot camps for all of our educators. Okay, we have beginner up to intermediate and advanced. Okay, and then if we go to our IQ Live, we can go to our live sessions. Here you're going to be able to see um, basically every single educator, their times for the next week, and really what they're going to be teaching you about. Okay, so you can see here Tyler Collins, my man Ricardo Garcia, uh, Jay Bonham. Where is he? My man right here. So you can just click on them, bring you to their profile. Once you're at the profile there, you can scroll down. You can take their boot camps, trading psychology. You can see their ideas. Okay, if you scroll down, then you can go and check all of their pre-recorded or classes that are recorded every day. So if you miss a call or you miss a class, you can always come back to it. Okay, so that is our education platform. Now I'm going to show you our indicator here. And we're just going to go to gold because I potentially could see something happening on gold here. So we got a sell signal here, but let's just check it. Let's check to see what is this trade looking like. It's a 1-to-1, right? But do we have structure down more? We certainly do, way down here, right? So we could definitely get into a trade potentially, take that. Um, because I do believe everything's lining up on that trade too. Just the trade time, but I do like trading gold. Um, different hours of the day. So like New York, Asian, London works really good. Okay. So you can see as long as you guys can see when to buy or sell, you take these blue signals or red signals. So obviously you need to know when you're below or above the 238, when you're below or above this gold line, you're going to sell it when you're below, and you're going to buy when you're above, right? So you can see here we have our sell signal, gave us a huge sell. We pulled back to the liquidity here, and then it didn't want to pull back anymore, so it went back on trend, pulled back again. Now it's going back on trend, so we could potentially see this um, set up in the next session for a good trade. Okay, guys. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'm gonna check the chat here. Sip of water. All right. So it doesn't look like we have any questions tonight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to end the call. So what I would like you guys to do is to please head back and reach out to the person that brought you to this invitation or that invited you here to this call. Um, and just get started. Grab the link and get set up, and we'll see you in there. Much love, guys. Remember, next Sunday, 6 p.m. MST Mountain Standard Time, we will have another call. So we hope to see you there. Much love, and we'll see you guys again. Cheers.